लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम है दुर्गेश डी द्विवेदी। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम आपको लाए हैं शपूरजी पलौंजी अपार्टमेंट में, जो कि सिचुएटेड है 102 गुरुग्राम द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे पे। चलिए हम आपको दिखाते हैं इनका अपार्टमेंट और सब कुछ आपको ब्रीफ करते हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप हमारी कंपनी के थ्रू शपूरजी पलौंजी जॉयविले में फ्लैट बुक कराते हैं तो आपको स्पेशल डिस्काउंट मिलेगा। सो नीचे दिए गए नंबरों पे कांटेक्ट करें, साइट विजिट करें और अपना ड्रीम होम बुक कराएं।
My name is Nishit. I am from Shapurji Palanji Real Estate, and I am now going to explain you about the project Joyville, Gurugram Sector 102. So first of all, I would like to explain the legacy of Shapurji Palanji. Shapurji Palanji is basically India's oldest construction company, and it's been more than 150 years we are doing the construction for various developers for the various projects. So let me take you to the small tour of the project. So this is the Barakhamba metro station. We have done the construction of Barakhamba metro station, and this construction is done by independent Indian company, that is Shapurji Palanji. The only Formula 1 track in India, that's in Greater Noida, is one of again our construction. We have built the Mumbai Central Railway Station in 1930 before the independence. Malabar Hill Surveyor is again one of our construction. We are also building world's tallest railway bridge in Chenab River. The name of this bridge is called Chenab Bridge, and इसका height Eiffel Tower से भी ज़्यादा ऊंचा है. So Royal Palace of Sultan of Oman, again this is one of our construction. Intel building in Bangalore, Indira Gandhi International Airport, we have done some work in this particular thing also. And this is the Imperial Tower. This is the tallest luxury twin tower in India as of today, and people are residing over there. This is a product of Shapurji Palanji. Entire Cyber City, we have done the construction for the Cyber City for the DLF in the Gurugram. Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium is again one of our construction. We have built few hotels in Abu Dhabi. Government and Presidential seats in Ghana is again one of our construction. We are also building Jammu Udhampur highway, and recently we have seen Narendra Modi ji has inaugurated one tunnel in Ladakh with the name of Atal Tunnel. That is again one of our construction. So these are the few glimpses of the Shapurji Palanji construction. It's not, these are the only few things. We have done many things that you will come to know when you come to the site. Thank you. Now I will take you to the tour of the entire project. What is exactly we are offering over here. The total land area is 18 acres. We are having land parcel of 18 acres in which we have distributed my project into 3 parts. This is my phase 1, tower number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this is completely sold out. This is my phase 2, Grandis, Crescendo, Alpine and Sierra. We are having few inventories left with us in phase 2 also. And this is my newly launched tower, Amen Irish. This is under the phase 3. The best part of this project is we are having 1 acre each colorful theme garden with every phase. So with phase 1 we are having Topaz Court, in which we are offering the garden would be of yellow color theme based. The flower and plantation we will be using over there will be based out of yellow color theme. Similarly, in Sapphire Court, the flower and plantation would be of purple color theme, and in Coral Court, the flower and plantation would be of red color theme based. Right. And this is my clubhouse. The area of clubhouse is 24,000 square feet. This clubhouse is having all the major amenities like swimming pool, yoga center, meditation center is there, co-working space is there, restaurant is there, indoor games, squash court, a restaurant, a mini banquet hall is also there. So this is fully equipped clubhouse we are offering over here. Apart from this, the best thing in our project is we are also providing air purification units in the common area. So in the common area, bahar ka pollution level jo bhi ho, within the complex, with the help of that machine, residents will get a fresh air compared to the outside environment. Now I am going to showcase you the 3 BHK luxury apartment with you all. The size of this apartment is 1852 square feet. This is a super area. If I talk about the usable carpet, so usable carpet area would be approximately 1320 square feet. Now please come. At the entrance we are providing video door phone with the every apartment, and this is the main door. The height of main door is approximately 7 feet. Please come. This is the entrance foyer. We are also providing entrance foyer. and this is my grand, the lavish drawing and dining hall. Just have a look. And in the drawing and dining area, we are providing vitrified tiles like this, as you have seen in this video, and the paint would be of like this. So we are not providing any kind of wallpaper, and any kind of textured wall or any kind of mirror would be there. Please come. Additionally, with this apartment, we are also providing split AC with all 3 bedrooms as well as in drawing room, without any additional cost. So this is a drawing and dining area, and this drawing and dining area is having a luxury balcony with it. I'll take you to the balcony also, but before that, this is my first room. We will also call it as a guest bedroom. Please come. So in the bedrooms, we are providing laminated wooden flooring in all 3 bedrooms, and along this bedroom, there is a washroom attached with it. And if you talk about the size of this bedroom, the size of this bedroom is 10.8 into 11.8, and this bedroom is also having accessibility to the main balcony that is shared by the drawing room also. To the balcony. So this is the lavish balcony. Here we will be providing the sliding doors. As of now, we have removed that. And this is the balcony. The width of this balcony is 5.11 and the length of this balcony is 17.3, and we will be providing grills over here till the level of the balcony would be till the level of the flooring. We are not providing any kind of glass over there. I'm taking to the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. You can also call it as a kids room. So the size of this room is 11 by close to 13, 12.10 is the exact size. We are again providing laminated wooden flooring as well as split AC would be there, that is provided by the company. And this room is having the full length of window over there. Along with this apartment, we are also providing panic alarm button, and this panic alarm button helps you in any kind of panic situation within the apartment. For example, if any panic situation is there, if you press this button, the security personnel and the alarm will be turned off. This is the common washroom. This washroom will be shared by the drawing room and the guests, and this washroom is also shared by this kids bedroom. The size of this washroom is 8 by 5, and this is the standard size of washroom. To the master bedroom, please come. This is the entrance foyer. We have kept this foyer just to maintain the privacy of the master bedroom. For example, if someone is standing outside, he or she cannot view the entire master bedroom. Again, we are providing laminated wooden flooring and split AC would be there. If you talk about the size of this master bedroom is 11.7 into 12.4, and the best part is this master bedroom is having a private balcony with it. Please have a look. So this is the private balcony. Again, we will be providing sliding doors over here, as well as the grill would be at the glass level. We are not providing any kind of glasses. Bedroom, we are also providing walk-in closet space. The cavity will be provided by the company, and this is the master washroom. And the best part is we are also installing solar plates at the rooftop. With the help of that, you will be getting hot water in your master washroom throughout the year without installing the geyser. Now I am taking you to the most luxurious part of this apartment. This is my kitchen. Please come, let's have a look. So this is the kitchen. The size of kitchen is 9.1 into 12.2. This is the luxurious size of kitchen. This kitchen is also having a utility balcony with it. If I talk about the what else we are offering with the kitchen, so we are providing modular kitchen below the counter, both the side, possibly by Godrej Interior or equivalent company. Along with this chimney and this hob we are providing. And this is the gas leakage detector. We are also providing gas leakage detector. In case of any gas leakage, the alarm will turn on and you will get notified about it. And this is the space of utility balcony. So this is a utility balcony where we are providing the points for that electricity. The tap point is there as well as drainage point is also there. And this is the kind of grill that we are going to provide in all the balconies. This is a sample for that also. So additionally, with this apartment, we are also having national tie-up with the Reliance Jio for the GigaFiber connectivity. With the help of this device, your internet, your DTH, your landline phone, as well as the appliances that I mentioned like panic alarm button, I have mentioned the gas leakage detector will run with the help of this device. And additionally, this device will give you option to integrate any of your appliances with this particular device powered by Jio For example, if you want to integrate your television, AC or light with this particular device, the option is always available with the Jio. Thank you so much for your precious time and seeing this video. I would like to thank Word Investors team for shooting out this beautiful video for us. And what you are guys are waiting for, please call on these numbers and get your slot books for the site visit. We are following all the COVID protocols. We are maintaining social distancing. Please wear your mask. My entire team is vaccinated. Please feel free to call me on these numbers and we will book a slot for you. Thank you.
सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको कोई एडवर्टाइजमेंट करानी है, अगर आपको अपनी प्रॉपर्टी सेल करानी है और आप चाहते हैं कि हम उसकी एडवर्टाइज़ करें और आपकी प्रॉपर्टी सेल कराएं, सो नीचे दिए गए नंबरों पे ही कांटेक्ट करें आप। हम आपकी प्रॉपर्टी सेल भी कराएंगे और आपको परचेज़ करने में भी हेल्प करेंगे। ये था इस अपार्टमेंट का पूरा ब्रीफ और पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन। सो आप नीचे दिए गए नंबरों पे कांटेक्ट करें, अपनी साइट विज़िट बुक कराएं। हमारी टीम आपको पूरी प्रेजेंटेशन देगी। हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। मैं दुर्गेश टी द्विवेदी साइनिंग ऑफ। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। नमस्कार।